Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna release a video to showcase a bit more about OrbisDB capabilities in a real front-end environment. In this example, we are basically creating a very simple chat component that you can see on the left with profiles, with a body content and a postbox. So very simple. And on the right, what you can see is basically your OrbisDB instance. In this first section, we will create a context. So the context that I created here, it's basically to group all the data that will be shared in this project into this specific context. It will help us structure a bit more the data and the project in the instance. The second section also in the OrbisDB instance that will be important for this video will be the data section. So on the left here you can see all the tables, so where basically your data are structured. They are structured based on the schema, the models that you define for every actions that will be performed in your application. And just below, you will be able to see the views. So the views are SQL definition of multiple tables or specific information within a table. So if we go back to the project, we will just share a very simple message here. So you can see that is being shared, and automatically you can go on social posts. So the schema that define this message here. And if we refresh, we will basically able to see the stream and the timestamp that is being shared. You will also be able to see the context, so what I shared earlier, that is being attached to this stream. So this is the basics. You have on the left a component and on the right your OrbisDB instance. So we shared everything into our repository, GitHub repository here. So you can see in this specific one the open source code for this specific chat component. So if you explore in this one, you will see the entire project. And more specifically, I want to showcase two section within the code that are important in combination with OrbisDB. So the first one is the postbox, so this section here. So within the code, you will be able to see one very key and important feature, SDK function, that is the insert function. So you can see here that you call this function, you say that you want the data being inserted into a specific model, and the model will be a post model, okay? And the value that you want to add here is just the body. As you can see here, very simple, very nothing fancy, but you will be able to see like just a body content and in a specific context. So this will define the body and the stream, and also where it will be shared into your OrbisDB instance. The second part that is super important is how do you query the feed and the results that you want in your application. So in this one, we will go to the chat part. So now we can deep dive in the chat box, so the feed component. And so you will see here that we're calling another SDK function, which is select this time. Select will basically take either a table, a view, a specific context in order to display the information, so query the data into your application. So here in this case, we are calling a model, the post with profile model with a specific context, and we are running it in order to display the feed in this order. So at least you know the two functions, insert and select, as the basis of OrbisDB capabilities. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to ask any question on our social channels, and happy to guide you through on a one-on-one call if needed. Thank you.